Buying a house that feels like a total lemon is the worst, especially when surprise repairs keep piling up faster than you can handle. So here's the deal. When you're a first-time homeowner facing a bunch of unexpected fixes, start by making a prioritized list of what absolutely needs attention now versus what can wait a bit. For example, stuff like a failing HVAC system or water damage in the basement should be at the top because they can cause bigger problems fast. Next, get multiple quotes from licensed contractors to compare prices and know what's legit and what might be overkill. Don't forget to ask for references or check online reviews to avoid shady work. Since your sellers weren't cooperative, try reaching out directly to local handyman services or home inspectors who might give you more insight on hidden issues. Also, document everything. Photos, receipts, communication with contractors, because this could help if you want to negotiate with the seller later or even consider legal advice. Look into local homeowner assistance programs or grants that sometimes help with costly repairs if money's tight. Keep in mind that some repairs, like siding replacement or roof flashing fixes, might be seasonal, so timing helps save money too. And lastly, lean on community groups or social media pages for your neighborhood, where people often share trusted contractor recommendations and real-life repair tips. One of the biggest mistakes people make with homes that have hidden damages is ignoring early warning signs like moisture or outdated HVAC systems, which just lets problems spiral into expensive disasters. Fix it as soon as possible by getting professional help and stopping the damage. Another common issue is trusting sellers or realtors without pushing for thorough inspections and written disclosures. Always insist on detailed inspections and push back if things seem off or incomplete. Finally, many new homeowners underestimate repair costs or don't set aside an emergency fund, which makes handling surprise repairs stressful. Create a realistic budget for ongoing maintenance and keep at least 3 months' worth of living expenses saved, just in case something major breaks. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you. Plus, it helps contractors find real clients who need work done, so everyone wins without the headache of endless searching or dodgy leads.